A very good evening to all of you. Welcome to the Officers Adda 24/7, the special YouTube series of your LRB subject in the English medium language. First of all, Resta ma'am, please tell me that whether my voice is audible or not to all of you. Those candidates who are new in this session, do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. So this, first of all, I would just want to say you that today 80% discount is going on. Okay, so if you are new in this session, so your new English medium batch is going to be start from, as you can see that, from 25th of July. So today if you purchase this English medium batch, so sharp 81% discount will be available. And in this English medium batch, your live classes are there, ebooks are there, test series are there, and the recorded videos will be available anytime and anywhere in the session. So those candidates who want to enroll in this batch, so simply you have to put the coupon code, that is Y391, so you can exactly get 81% discount here in this session. So now first of all we will discuss the one word of the legal, and then after that we will do the question. Okay, so Mr. Arnav sir, Rasha ma'am, could you please tell me that my voice is audible or not? Okay, now what is book debt? First of all, book debt is one of the kind of security. What is book debt? Book debt is the one of the kind of security. Okay, as we know that this is the borrower and this is the bank. Okay, so this borrower, if he want money, so the bank will give money to the borrower. Now in this one, in the 10 lakh, the borrower have to give something security to the bank. So book debt is one of the security that we have to study. Okay, so what exactly it means? Suppose this is a document. This document belong to Arnav sir company. Okay, this document belong to the Arnav sir company. Okay, now in this document, suppose the X person have to give, X is the outsider, he have to give in this company the 10 lakh rupees. Okay, the Y person also have to give, suppose 5 lakh rupees for this one in the company, and Z person also he have to give 2 lakh rupees. So total 17 lakh these person have to give to the Arnav sir. Okay, so now in this case what will happen? In this case, that particular person have to give this much of amount. So in that case, the company will give this document. The company will give this document. The company will give this document to the bank as a security. So that is called the book debt. Okay, so this is called the exact answer of the term, that is the book debt. Okay, so this is the simply one of the security that is important in the types of security. Okay, now let's start with the question and answer series of this act. So the first question, you can see that the bank B, that is sanction a term loan to the XYZ. Okay, there is a bank B. Bank B is there, and in that case they have to give loan to the XYZ. This is the particular, the bank B sanction a loan. So bank B have sanctioned the loan to this company, that is repayable in the 28th quarterly installment. Okay, the party did not pay, suppose this particular company did not pay the few installment. Now the bank want to file a suit. That is so simple. So tell me class, what is the appropriate answer of this one? What is the appropriate answer for this one? That whether the bank can file a suit within 3 years for the entire amount. The bank can file a suit within 3 years for the installment not paid from the due date of respective installment. Bank can file the suit within 3 years for the installment not paid from the due date of respective installment, and the bank can file a suit for due amount, and for the balance amount of the bank, that will have to wait. So what will be the exact answer of this one? Yes, tell me. Yes, can anyone tell me the exact answer of this one, that when you can say the appropriate answer of this. The question is very simple. The bank has sanctioned the loan to XYZ, and XYZ is repaying in the 28th quarterly installment. So you have to tell me the exact reason. So this question is also based on the simple Limitation Act. This question is also based on the Limitation Act. So class, for this third one, the exact answer C will be the right answer, because the bank can file the suit within 3 years for installment not paid from the due date of respective installment, and also the balance amount if the agreement provide for that. Exactly, Arnav sir. C will be the right answer, because he have to pay the installment, and Limitation Act always start when the cause of action arise. So in this case, the cause of action when he have to pay the money, and he have to pay the money on the basis of the installment. So that's why the limitation will be start from the installment. Okay, so that's why first one, C, is the right answer. Excellent. Now next question. RBI can remove the chairman or director of a bank under dash, against which appeal can be made to the central government within dash days from the date of communication of such order. So what is the exact answer? RBI Act 45 days, Banking Regulation Act 30 days, Banking Regulation Act 45 days, or RBI Act 30 days. What will be the exact answer of this one? Yes, what will be the exact answer of your second one? The RBI can remove the chairman and director under whom? Of a bank. Under which act? Or first of all you have to identify the act. Then which appeal can be made to the central government? So what is the days under which we can file the appeal? So first of all, this question, the act is simply the Banking Regulation Act. Okay, so second will be the right answer. Under the Banking Regulation Act, within the 30 days is the right answer. Okay, 30 days is the right answer for the second one. It's not RBI Act, Arnav sir. RBI Act generally come into picture when it's talk about simply the composition and the power and structure of the RBI. But banking regulation in the module A, the Banking Regulation Act is very important from the examination point of view. Okay, now next question. Banks are required to obtain license from RBI for commencing the operation due to which of the following reason? To make the provision of Banking Regulation Act applicable, to prevent the indiscriminate formation of banking companies, to regulate the formation of banking company, and all of the above. Third one. Banks are required to obtain license. C class, under section 22 of the Banking Regulation Act, the RBI have authority to issue the license and to reject the license. So tell me, the banks are required to obtain license from RBI from commencing the operation. So what is the due to which of the following reason? And you know that whether it is private bank, commercial bank, LRB bank, every bank have to follow the rules and regulations of this act. So what will be the exact answer of this one? The answer is very simple for the third one. B is the right answer, to prevent the indiscriminate formation of the banking company. So that's why the RBI have the only authority to give the license to the particular person. So for third one, second is the right answer, not fourth one. Why the all bank have to obtain the license, Arnav sir? Because so that it will be prevent indiscriminate formation of the banking company. So for the third one, this is the right answer. Okay, now next one. This question is class of case study question. Okay, case study question. Now tell me, X, Y, Z were allowed certain credit facility on the guarantee of G. It means the G person is the guarantor here. Okay, G person is a guarantor. Later on, the account was secured by equitable mortgage. Okay, the second thing that's happened in this one is equitable mortgage come into picture, because the account that the credit was secured by, it means the borrower had given now the equitable mortgage to the bank. Okay, now for the certain reason the bank released the equitable mortgage. Okay, but when the account become difficult for recovery and the money was demanded from G also, he took the plea. It means the guarantor is saying that the guarantor is pleading that he stand discharged to the extent the value of mortgage which has been released by the bank. So tell me the exact answer of this one. These question class, that is called the case study question, that generally come in the 2 marks. So the question is very simple. The XYZ allow, this is the bank which allowed the credit facility and the guarantor is G. Second one, in the second case, in that particular one, equitable mortgage is there. Now the bank release the equitable mortgage. So if you release equitable mortgage, so it means the guarantor is also released. Fourth one, the guarantor is also released. The answer is very simple. For the fourth one, A is the right answer. That is, the guarantor is not discharged as the mortgage was taken subsequent to the date of guarantee. So for the fourth one, first is the right answer. Okay, because if equitable mortgage is released by the bank, that doesn't mean that the guarantor is also released. The guarantor have to pay the particular money. So for the fourth one, first is the right answer, not discharge. Okay, A, because in the A the exact reason is written. Now, where the company undertakes certain activity which does not fall within its object, what it will be called, and the extent of liability of the company for such activity is, what is exact answer of fifth one? Suppose this is the object clause of any company. If anything is outside the object, so what exactly it means? Intravirus, ultravirus, ultravirus or intravirus. And then you have to tell me, if it is intravirus, company is liable. If it is ultravirus, company is liable. What is exact answer? Yes. Exactly, the ultravirus is absolutely right, because if it any does not fall its object, that is called the ultravirus. So sir, tell me, for the ultravirus, whether the company is no liability or company is liable. So for that thing, if anything that is outside the object, that is ultravirus, and the company will be not liable, because ultra virus will be always done by the members of the company. So that's why for the fifth one, B is the right answer. Okay, now, so again class, 81% discount is going on, not 80%, plus 1% more discount is going on if today you will purchase the JAIIB English medium batch. And the second JAIIB English medium batch is going to be start from 25th of July. So if you want to get enrolled in this 25th of July, you can easily use the code Y391. This is the coupon code. You can easily purchase the batch. Okay, next. It is a obligation of a banker to honor the check of a customer drawn against the current what? Mutual, statuary, unstatuary, and all of the above. Statuary means the which is given by the law. Statuary means that is given by the law. So for the 16th one, it is the obligation of the banker to honor the check of the customer drawn. That is totally a statutory act, and it may be the negotiable instrument act in which this statement is there. Okay, so for the sixth one, B is the right answer. Next, which bank have given the instruction to the commercial bank regarding the immediate credit of outstation check? Reserve Bank of India, Central Bank, World Bank, or all of the above? This question is very easy. If you know the role of Reserve Bank, Central Bank, World Bank, then you can easily get the answer. And in your LRB syllabus, I think we are just saying the RBI. So that's why for the seventh one, exactly A will be the right answer. Okay, for the seventh one, A will be the right answer. The Reserve Bank have a authority to instruct to the commercial bank. Now, this is the last question. In India, the law regulating the Negotiable Instrument Act is called what? The law regulating the negotiable instrument, whether it is Banking Regulation, Reserve Bank of India Act, Negotiable Instrument Act, or Company Act 1956. What is the exact answer? This question is very simple, and this Negotiable Instrument Act is very much important. So for the eighth one, the law regulating the negotiable. Negotiable means that is transferable, and instrument means simply the document. So that's why Negotiable Instrument Act is the right answer. Excellent. Negotiable. Arey Baba, negotiable instrument. Arnav sir, why you are giving me the wrong answer? That is a very basic question. Negotiable Instrument Act, that is the in which we have to study about the check, promissory note, etc., bill of exchange. So that's all for today's class. Those candidates who want to purchase the new English medium batch, today 81% discount is going on. So if you want to purchase, the process is very simple. Okay, you have to click on all courses, then JAIIB CAIIB. This is the JAIIB English medium. Click on English medium. This is the new English medium batch. So you have to click on view offer, because today 81% discount is going on, and put the coupon code, that is Y391. Click on apply. As you can see, 80% discount is going on, and if you want 1% more discount, you have to purchase through the mobile. Okay, through the mobile, 81% discount will be there.